Understanding Interior Insulation, a guide for English language learners. Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only crucial for homeowners and builders but also interesting for English language learners: interior insulation. Understanding this term is key to grasping how buildings are made comfortable and energy efficient. Let's explore what interior insulation means and why it's important in construction and home improvement projects. Interior insulation refers to the materials used inside the walls, ceilings, or floors of a building to reduce heat loss or gain. By adding a layer of insulation on the inside surfaces of these areas, we can keep the indoor temperature more stable, making a building warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. This is not just about comfort. It's about energy efficiency and saving on heating and cooling costs. There are several types of materials used for interior insulation, each with its own benefits. Some common materials include fiberglass, lightweight and cost-effective, often found in bats or rolls. Foam board, rigid panels of insulation that provide high insulation values with minimal thickness. Spray foam, applied wet and expands into a solid foam, great for sealing gaps and providing an air barrier. Choosing the right material depends on the specific needs of the building, budget, and the climate in which the building is located. Adding interior insulation to a building has several key benefits. Energy efficiency reduces the need for heating and cooling, leading to lower energy bills. Comfort helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature, enhancing comfort levels. Soundproofing insulation can also help reduce noise from outside or between different rooms in a building. Installing interior insulation requires careful planning and execution. It's important to consider vapor barriers to prevent moisture from getting trapped in the insulation, which can lead to mold growth. Building codes ensure the insulation meets local building codes and standards. Professional installation. For certain types of insulation, professional installation may be recommended to ensure it's done correctly. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and benefits of interior insulation. Whether you're building a new home, renovating an old one, or just curious about how insulation works, understanding this concept is a step towards more energy-efficient and comfortable living spaces. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content in the future. Stay warm, stay cool, and keep learning.